Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gerel, and let's go ahead and get ready together to see Barbie the movie. And I prime my eyes using the Viseart eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to go into different little palettes that I just got from Viseart. I will link everything down below in the description area just in case you guys have any questions of any other products that I'm using. But these ones right here are really nice and soft. I just wanted like a really nice wash of colors to start off with, and then of course I took out a hotter, like super bubbly pink, and I really just wanted to focus that in the outer corner, as you can see here. And then I went in with lilac, kind of a pinky tone, and I put it all over my eyelid. And then I wanted something like to sparkle, so I went in with this shade, but this shade in particular, it's a little bit more iridescent. Added a little bit of this gold shade in the inner corner to brighten things up. And then I used the Laura Mercier eyeliner, and this one is so good. It's the perfect like chocolatey brown. I went ahead and tie line it, and I also added it to my lash line. Then of course I needed a little bit more sparkle, so I went into my Charlotte Tilbury, and this one is so nice. I wanted to brighten things up in my waterline, so I went in with this like creamy liner. Now moving on to the skin, I am going to use the Hourglass primer, and this one is so good, but I am going to just let it sit there for a little bit. So while I'm waiting for that to happen, I'm going to hydrate, drink a little bit of water. And by the way, my whole entire family is like right next to me. Everyone is right next to me just watching me get ready. And now moving on to foundation, this is the skin tint from Hourglass that I decided to use, and let me tell you, it is so absolutely so beautiful, so good. I can't get over it, but I really do like it the best when I use my hands to apply it. Now it's not my favorite thing to do because I absolutely hate foundation on my hands, but I love it, as you can see here. I absolutely love it. Now moving on to concealer, this is a new concealer from Makeup Forever, and I have not been able to actually add it on a video, so here it is. I actually wore it the whole entire day. It's so good. The coverage is really nice, beautiful, medium coverage, a little bit borderline medium, full coverage. You can definitely build it up. It's really lightweight. It did not crease on my eyes. I was in and out of the car, you know, with my son, running around him, but he's not feeling 100%, so I had to blend out my concealer with him on top of me because he loves mommy. But here's a close-up of the concealer just so you guys can see. I haven't been sleeping, one because my son still wants to be with me 100% like all day long, so I do have my little eye bags. But when it comes to the darkness, the concealer did such a great job. Of course, the little bags are not going to be full coverage, but you know what I mean. Anyways, I went ahead and just used the Laura Mercier powder just to give me a little bit of glow. Then I move on to this palette from Hourglass that is no longer available. I just went ahead and just use all the shades on the top, and then I just bronze up my skin, as you can see here. I really wish that they can just bring this back and do it in like different kinds of variations, just because it is so good. Now of course moving on to Patrick Top blush, and of course we had to go with the pink, and I was really light-handed with it. I think that this color is really nice and suitable for my skin tone. I did do a whole entire video swatching all new 3 shades from Patrick Top, so I will link that video down below. But this is such a beautiful blush, and it lasts pretty much the whole entire day. I am going to set my brows in place, and I have been really enjoying this Dominique Cosmetics brow gel. It is so good. I absolutely love that it grabs every single one of brow hairs. Really nice one. Now lining my lips using the LYS lip liner, and then I'm moving on to this lip gloss from Lawless, which it does have like a really nice pink hue, but it's not too obnoxious. And here I am getting my daughter ready. She decided to wear pink eyeshadows with me, so I went ahead and just primed her eyelids using the same primer from Viseart, and I pretty much used the same colors that I did on myself. I'm just going to do like a halo eye on her, so I'm adding a little bit of that pink shade on the inner corner and outer corner and just staying on the crease. And then I'm going to go in with the iridescence shade. I thought she wanted something a little bit more simple, so I was just going to leave it like this and just add a little bit of blush, but she did ask me for more sparkle, so I went ahead and used the one from Charlotte Tilbury, and I love this one. It's so nice. It's like a one and done kind of shadow, but it gives you that sparkle, and she's so happy with that. Now I'm just going to highlight the inner corner with the iridescence shade. I'm making it a little bit different than mine, but not too different. And then she's going to curl her own lashes. She's a pro at doing that. And then she's going to add mascara later on today. And then I move on to the blush, and I did use the Patrick Top. When she first saw it, she was so scared. She's like, whoa, that is really, really bright. But I was really light-handed with it. And as you can see, it really works out. I'm just using the powder on her. Here is the final look for me. I don't have a final look for her, maybe next time. But yeah, that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.